Hi everyone, welcome to Dam Creations. I'm Dipali, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and review video of the affordable organic store. So recently, while scrolling through Facebook, I came across this website, which is the affordable organic store. So I thought, let me give it a try, and I ordered a few plants and seeds just to try how's the quality. So I ordered two plants, adenium, and the other one was kalanchoe. And then I ordered a few seeds like coriander, spinach, and lavender. And also ordered a succulent mix for my succulents because a few of them are drying. So let's get started. Let me open the first box. So here is the first box, and let me just open this one. Okay, so here we go. This is the first packet that we've got, and I really like the packaging. I think this should be a live plant, but let me open the others also. Let me see the other ones also. um, okay, here it is, another one. And then, okay, so let me see what's there. Let me open the first ones. This one is the pink Kalanche succulent. I'm quite excited to open this one. All right, so oh wow. So this is my first plant. This looks good. This is a small sapling, but this is in a good, healthy condition. So as you can see, and I really liked the packaging because this type of packaging is excellent for transporting live plants as these plants are quite delicate. So I really love the packaging. Now on to the second one. So now I know that you don't have to open from here. You have to open from here. Quite excited for this one as well. Okay. Let me be careful. Mm, let me try from here also. Okay, this will be better. All right, so here is our second plant. This one is adenium. Um, this is adenium. This is calonche, and I really love this. Wow. Okay, these are the two plants, and then coming to the this is what is this? This is these are coriander seeds. Let's open this. So I have got 1, 2, 3 packets. I'll open one packet and show you all. Oh, okay. So here are the seeds. Let me open and show you. So these are the seeds. 3 packets, 4 packets. These are like 1, 2, 3, 3 packets, and these are clips for plants. So if you have a money plant or something, you can just hold the stem together using this. So what is this? Okay, this is a plant growth promoter. I did not order this, but maybe they've given it as a gift to me. So yeah, I'm happy. Um, This one is the succulent mix. This is quite less in quantity, but that's okay. This is 100 gram. I will try this and I'll let you know about the feedback. And then I think these are growth bags for plants. If you order for anything above 199, they are giving this free. So yeah. All right, let me open the next box now. So let me put these on the side and open this one. So yeah, you can also try ordering from the affordable organic store, and I'll post a link in the description section below. So you can also try ordering, because these are really nice plants. But one thing is that these are small saplings, which I'm okay with, because they had mentioned this clearly on their website, and I really love the packaging, and the pricing it is quite affordable. So see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.